All right, folks. Hey there, fanatics. This is your boy Terry Borskovich, and earlier I posted a video of like my sports collection. I acquired a big collection of rare sports and novelty cards, and I said I would be doing an unboxing, but I'm not gonna do the old stuff. I'm gonna do some unboxing boxes of 2020. It's all MLB, and I just thought, 2020 sports is here. It's short, but everyone's watching, and I got today. I have Optic Donruss. I have a little small pack, and then I got the big box. I also have Topps Baseball 2020 with Series 2. I have a little pack in the box looking for autograph and relic cards. I have the big Panini Prizim. And these cards are really good. I think they're all mostly holographic. And then I see a lot of people. I recently acquired this Topps Chrome, which is, I think they're all like silver or holographic. But I'm going to be opening all of this right now. And I'm hoping to find some good rookies, relic autographs, something with a jersey. But all right, let's get into it. Let's get Dun, 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 dun. Let me see. We're gonna do this one first. Let me get my stack going. All right, folks. This is the first pack. Oh, sorry, folks. Technical difficulty. I don't really have an editor. Now hiring. So here's Optic Donruss, the first little pack. 60, and I got all of this at Walmart. This really prices kind of went up a little, but I'm here to unbox. So let's see what we find today. I'm gonna open these all the same. I don't wanna damage anything. Oh, I see on the bottom, Sandy. I don't know what really 2020. I don't know like the big rookies. But here we have rated rookie. Adbert Alzolay. Chicago Cubs. Number 87. Ooh, we got Tony Gonsolin. Los Angeles Dodgers. Rated rookie card. He's doing pretty good this year. Well, I'm gonna keep that one. Optic Diamond Kings. Ooh. Eugenio Soares of the Cincinnati Reds. I like this dude. This one's pretty nice. Let me see. Holographic. Oh, there's a card I have, but not a Donruss. Man, I gotta go a lot of good rookies. Dustin May, the Los Angeles Dodgers, rated rookie, little holographic card. I'm gonna put this to the side. Edwin Rios, another rated rookie of the Dodgers. I'm born and raised in LA, so like this is really cool. I'm coming up. I'm getting like literally every single rookie Dodger right now, which is cool. Okay, Josh Donaldson, and I guess what am I? Look for find exclusive 4-line green parallels. So I guess I have a green parallel. It says 4 per package. This is our first one. Oh, I think I'm getting 4 in a row. So Josh Donaldson. Oh, what is this? Okay. Starling Marte. Fernando Tatis Jr. of the San Diego Padres. This is a good card. Number 1. Yeah. Cha-ching? Nah, but it's a good card. Lewis Thorpe. I have no idea who this is. The Minnesota Twins. Casey Mize of the Detroit Tigers. I've seen him play this year. He's all right. We can keep it over here. Oh, here we go. Donruss 20. Andres Jose Garalaga. Okay, this is an older player. It's because it says Montreal. Is probably from Montreal Expos. Back in the day, we got Willie Calhoun of the Texas Rangers. Joey Votto, this guy's a badass. Cincinnati Reds. Brandon Lowe, Tampa Bay Rays. Matt Olson, Oakland A's. And our last card for this pack, which we saw earlier, the back of it, Sandy Alcantara. I know I'm sorry about the Spanish. And I think he's the ace for Miami Marlins. So there goes that pack. Here's our line parallels. I gotta say, my favorite card from this is probably, I don't know, Tony Gosselin. But hey, I'm just a Dodger fan. So here we go. We're moving on to Topps 2020 Series 2. I'm gonna get right into it. Here we go. So let's see. We got Josh Dalmont, Kansas City. Oh, rookie card. I was about to say I don't recognize him. Zach Eflin. Eflin. They're really good. Another rookie. Here we have Yu Chang of the Cleveland Indians. Let's see. I want to check this guy out. All-star selection at 3 levels of the minors. Yu announced his impending arrival in Cleveland by batting .337 in the 2018 Fall League. I gotta keep my eye on this guy. Well, we'll see what happens in 20 years. Carlos Martinez is a good pitcher. Jeff Mathis is a veteran. Oh, and I guess this is inaugural season. A new stadium for Texas. Here's Nick Whitgreen. My bad. Yan Gomez, Washington Nationals. Josh Reddick, Houston Astros. Wade Miley, a Cincinnati Reds veteran. Wilson Contreras, catcher of Chicago Cubs. Oops, let's get this. And Elvis Luciano. Jake Odorizzi. Oh man, I'm probably butchering a lot of names. Oh, Tyler Chatwood, which is Chicago Cubs. Garrett Stubbs. This is a good rookie card. Oh, you Darvish. This is my boy. I'm gonna keep this dude. Even though he's not on the team no more, I still got love for you. Michael Franco, former Philly. Oh, here we go. Josh Donaldson. This is an all-star player. This guy's pretty good. Philadelphia Phillies. It's not a player card, moment card. Philly special. Harper and Hoskins celebrate home run. Yeah, that's a good lineup. Roll out the barrel. Brewers outfield celebrates. It looks like they're all like praying or seeing something in the sky. I don't know about that one. Brock Burke. Oh, rookie card. Isaiah Kinner Falalefa. Let me see. Alex Dickerson. I remember when he was on the Rays. Chris Bassett. Glenn Sparkman. Let me see. I'm going to just try to speed through this one. Oh, I got a Justin Verlander. Topps now. 2019 Cy Young winner. All right. Oh, Decade's Best Award winners. We got a Joe Mauer card. Number DB82. On Joe Mauer was a badass. This dude's probably had the best average in a decade. We got Pete Alonso. Handy in a pinch. Now there's several Empire State Awards cards. All Alonso, but him in different situations. Pete not only had 7 plate appearances in 2019, but his work off the bench was memorable. Who's this? Mike Schmidt? Yeah, that old school player. Here we go. Philadelphia Phillies. And Dubon. Mauricio Dubon. No. San Francisco Giants rookie card. Steve Wilkerson. And here we are. We're going to wrap it up. Dylan Bundy of the Los Angeles Angels. I remember this dude on the Orioles. And another Suarez card. Eugenio Suarez and Ryan McMahon. Only a Rocky card. All right. I'll put these to the side. Now let's get into some boxes. All right, folks. Here's the 2020 Topps Chrome baseball trading card. Yeah, boxes. Shit. I'm gonna use my keys. These things are tricky. Childproof. Oh man, I can't give you those 20 seconds back. But here we go. I've never had a Topps Chrome. Not the Chrome. I always get the regular Series 1. But I stopped seeing Series 1. So here's 4 bonus sepia or refractor cards. So this is good shit. So I'm gonna leave this at the end. And here we go. Here's the regular cards. So all the refractor cards are in one. Let me see. 7 packs plus 1 bonus pack per box. Let's see. I don't know what the odds of getting or what we're really looking for. But we're gonna open it. We're gonna check it out. All right, last one's a Dodger card. I already see it. Oh, okay. Here we have Shin-Soo-Choo. Oh, Chrome. So they're all holographic? Yeah, they got a good look, a good texture. Abraham Toro. Oh, here's Mets 35th anniversary card. And Edwin Rios rookie card. And dude's actually really good. Really good. So we're gonna get. I'm gonna try to speed run these. There's only 4 per pack, and I don't want to do more opening than like showing you. But here we go. Here's the next one. Rise Hoskins. Oh, Justin Dunn. Rookie card. Gleyber Torres, New York Yankees, and Nomar Mazara. All right. So far, so good. I don't know really 2020, because I mean that's the year now. We don't even get an All-Star game this year, so can't really say any of these guys are gonna be an All-Star. Carter Kaboom! I'm sorry, I haven't heard of that guy. Cool name. Kyle Lewis, rookie card. Is tearing it up in Seattle. Willie Adams. Okay, I messed his name up. But here we go. Oh, Kevin Biggio. This guy's good. Toronto Blue Jays. He would have been an All-Star. But we got a 2-month season. All right, so here we go. Mitch Haniger. Dun. Oh, Gavin Lux rookie card. Yeah. Look at that. Sorry about that. Oh, the glare is strong because these are really holographic. You can see my reflection right here. That's pretty cool. Nico Horner, rookie card, and Raziel Iglesias. Good pitcher for Cincinnati Reds. All right, man. I don't know. So I guess all the good are in the refractor pack. Let me see. Francisco Lindor, ace of the Cleveland Indians. And here's this guy. I came across his rookie card earlier. Adbert Alzole. Gotta work. Oh, look. Freshman Flash, Sean Murphy, rookie card. Now, this is cool. This is cool, folks. Sean Murphy. This is the first card where it's like a non-player. And here we got Sam Hillard. Rookie for Rockies. But here we go, folks. Bam. Pete Alonso. Oh, what is this? Tops. What? I'm sorry, folks. NL rookie favorite? It's so small. I'm sorry. All-star rookie. There you go. But you gotta agree, folks. That's super small. I can't even see it. Jake Rogers, Detroit Tigers rookie. Future stars, Pete Alonso of the New York Mets. This is nice. Michael Fulmer, Detroit Tigers. All right, folks, we're almost to the refractor pack. I'm really excited. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Noah Syndergaard. Yeah, ace of the Mets. Oh, this is upside down. Domingo Leva. Rookie card. I'm getting a lot of rookie cards, so I'm really happy. Another Michael Fulmer. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I got a sign. A signed rookie card. We got Dom Nunez of the Colorado Rockies. Top certified autograph issued card. Dom was a shortstop before moving behind the plate in 2014. Now rated as the best defensive catcher in Colorado system. His offensive gifts include a patient approach, double-digit home run totals. But I got this signed. Oh, man. This is nice. This is actually really nice. I haven't got an autograph in a while. I'm going to put this... Whoa. But it's Dom Nunez. And you're like, who? It's because nobody knows the rookies until they're banned. All right, this is a refractor pack. So I got Scott in the back. Ooh, this is looking nice. Junior Fernandez, refractor rookie card. Man, this is nice. This is really, really nice. Here we go. Brian Reynolds. I don't know if this... Let me see what this little thing says in the corner. Sorry, folks. You probably can't see it. It's so small. Tops. I actually need a microscope. I cannot read this. I think Topps rookie favorite. Ooh. I didn't even see this. Tony Gosselin, refractor rookie card. Los Angeles Dodgers. I mean, I think his record's like 1-1 right now. He's not like totally killing it. His ERA is slow. And then I got the Scott Kingery. He's not a rookie. He's been in the maybe sophomore, junior year. But I got 4, I think, badass refractor cards. That was a good come up. That was really great. And that's what came out of this 2020 Topps Chrome. We're going to move on to Topps 2020 Baseball Series 2. And hopefully, this is much easier to open. Dun, dun, dun. Maybe I should have done less boxes. I did want a shorter video. But hey, you know, we're going to open it. We're here. And we're clear. It's all one pack. Actually, that's cool. Let's get it done. Let's open it. So pretty much in this one, look for contest cards for a chance to win. I don't think 2 exclusive Empire State Award winner cards inside. I'm also looking for autograph and relic cards. So now that they're all in just one, I'm gonna speed run these. Okay, Adrian Hauser. I'm gonna have to twist and turn. Joe Rosh. But if I find something good, I'm gonna slow down. We're gonna look at it. Taylor Mahal. Ryan Baruki. Lo Trevino. Oh, they're kind of stuck too. But this is our first rookie. James Marvel. Mr. Marvel. Here we go. I think this is Dawa Lugo. Sheldon Noose. Rookie for the Tampa Bay Rays team card. Colorado rookies team card. I'm actually a Colorado resident now. Let's show a little love. Oh, I like this guy. Adrielton Simmons, Los Angeles Angels. Milwaukee Brewers closer, Josh Hader. He's a hater. John Means. Let me see. And I guess when you see these little things, I guess it is Topps All-Star Rookie. I guess that's what it means. Kansas City Royals team card. I'm going to get a lot of team cards, which I don't mind. Some of them are good shots. Role reversal shortstops. Torres and Lindor go head-to-head. It looks like a double play. Harold Ramirez. I don't know who that is. Hunter Harvey, rookie for the Orioles. Trevor Williams, starting pitcher. Lamonte Wade Jr., rookie card for Minnesota Twins. Oh, this guy actually pitched against the Dodgers the other day. Danielson Lamet. He did not win. Oh, wow. I actually forgot. Felix Hernandez is not a Seattle Mariner anymore. He looks weird in a new costume. New uniform. G. Montoy. Okay, Willie Calhoun. Andre Knapp. Napping it up. Chad Wallach, rookie for Marlins. Starting pitcher, Sean Mania. Here we go. I think this is Jeff Mathis. Here we go. Nick Whitgreen. Jan Gomez. I think I got some of these cards already. Yeah. Josh Reddick. All right, so these are doubles. Some of these will be doubles. Martin Maldonado. And I'm just going to flash through doubles. J. Cave, if I remember. Former Padre, Manuel Margot, Tommy Khalid. Okay, yeah. I don't think we got Zach yet. Zach Plasic, Mike Leake, Harold Castro, Kevin Herrera, Tyrone Taylor, rookie for the Brewers, Stephen Vogt, Lucas Sims, Charlie Morton, Isaiah Kinner. Oh yeah, I'm starting to remember these. Yeah, double. Oh, this is my main dude right here, Hyunjin Ryu, formerly of the Dodgers. He's killing it in Toronto now. Good luck, buddy. Aaron Barrett, Jose Trevino, Texas Rangers. Tom Murphy. Oh, here we got a Steven Stauber. This is a good card. Charlie Blackmon. It's a good player right here. Logan Webb, rookie. Kyle Freeland. I'm seeing more Rockies. Rio Ruiz. Ooh, Albert Pujols. Always liked Albert Pujols. All-Star. Future Hall of Famer. Now in the LA Angels. Shed Long. I know him because his name. Very weird name. And here we go. We got... Who is this? We got a rookie. Holographic refractor. Andres Munoz. TRC 100. Oh, this is looking nice. I'm going to show you this, folks. Dun, 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 dun. Chris Davis. This guy's dude. I mean, This guy's good. Pete Alonso, 2 of them, 2 different. Oh, and a third. Oh no, actually, never mind. Here's 2 of a walk-off winner and life begins at 40. Oh, here we go. I think this Chipper. Yeah, Chipper Jones, Warriors of the Diamonds. We got a classic baseball player. Lewis Robert, rookie card. And now we have, here we go. Flattery, Jake Flattery of the Cardinals. Jim Thome. This guy's good. Oh, these are nice cards at the end. Mark McGwire. Look at that. Oakland A's back in the day. Oh, that's nice. And this is super old school. You could just, oh, this is Ty Cobb. That's super old school. The Detroit Tigers still have the same logo. But that's old school baseball there for you folks. All right, I think I got some good finds on this one. We got 2 more boxes. It's taking longer than I expected. But hey, we're here. Having difficulty with this, folks. Okay, thank you. I don't want to mess up the box too, that's why. But a knife is needed because this is like super childproof. Or not even childproof. I just have difficulty. All right, well here we go. Here's the Optic Donruss, 40 cards per box, 8 packs of 4 plus a bonus 8 card. And we're looking for Carolina blue and white parallels, 8 per box on average. It'd be nice to get a Clayton Kershaw card. I don't even know who's the best in the league right now. But I know there's a dude on the Padres who's winning, right? Win totals. So here we got the packs. And here's the bonus pack. Save it for last. Save the best for last. Or what I think or hope is the last. The best. The best of the best. Alright, folks, we're going to get into this. Here we go, Fanatics. Let's get into it. Let's see what we have here. Oh, man. This is kind of embarrassing. But we finally got it open. Freddie Freeman. Atlanta Braves. Shane Bieber. Illusions. Dun dun dun. Joey Votto of the Cincinnati Reds. And I got a rated rookie, Travis Sorry. But here, not to speed run, but I don't know. Battery is gonna last too. All right, we got a bow on the back. Yeah, I don't have no gloves either, but Jack Flattery, St. Louis, Tim Anderson. Here's stained glass. Yoshitomo. I'm not even gonna try. I don't want to butcher it. And Bo Bichette, rated rookie, and he's actually doing really good. This is a American League rookie of the year favorite. Honestly, I've been watching him play. There we go. Who's this? Aaron Nola, Philadelphia Phillies. Ozzy Albies, Atlanta Braves. Oh, Keith Hernandez, we got an old school star of the Yankees, followed by Fernando Tatis Jr. #1. Yeah, I got this earlier, but let's check out Keith Hernandez. 2020 holographic. Is that a refractor? No. Alright, we're half hour in. One more box, couple more of these for this pack. Alright, Elvis Andres, still with the Rangers. Ooh, Manny Machado, Padres. Alan Trammell, I think this is an older player. Yeah, from mid-80s. And Lewis Thorpe, Minnesota Twin, rated rookie. Shit. I don't remember what I got earlier. I opened the smaller packs. Some of these I'm remembering are doubles. Let's see, let's check it out. Hit the corner right there. Tim Anderson. Mike Soroka. Oh, another double. And Willie Castro. I hate getting doubles, but you know what? I love doing giveaways. That'll. Trey Mancini, Justin Verlander, Houston. Javier Baez. Brett Blavlin. This is definitely old school. And Trey Mancini. I'm not familiar with him. Number 17. And he is also from mid-80s. So these older players are from mid-80s. I don't recall most of them. 'Cause that's when I was born. That's how old I am. But, you know, this would help me a lot. Max Scherzer. Future Hall of Famer. Really great player there. Who's this rated rookie? TJ Zook of the Toronto Blue Jays. Here we go. Got Joey Bart. He's actually a good rookie. His name's coming up. And Matt Thies. An Angel rookie. Alright, we're almost to the bonus pack. Bonus pack is next. Let's go. Fernando Tatis Jr. This guy's gonna be a great player. Ooh, what is this? Dylan Cease. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. And I actually know this player too. Here we go. We got Signature Series. This ain't even a bonus pack yet. Signature Series. Signature Dylan Cease. Dylan, you cease to be, man. Here we go. 1 of 10. Oh, I'm loving this. And I'm not like the hugest White Sox fan, but this is looking nice, man. This is nice. I was waiting for that. And here's a mythical card. Francisco Lindor, Cleveland. I haven't seen a mythical card either. Number M3. I like how this pack ended. And then I got Austin Meadows. I like when they do these artist series, the Diamond Kings. Not really worth a lot, but I mean, shit. That's good art, though. I appreciate these cards. I thought trading cards would just like give out, like cease to exist and disappear, you know? Because I don't really see anybody doing it. Jeff McNeil of the Yankees. So here's the bonus pack. Here's the blue parallels. Alberto Mondesi. Trey Turner of the Nationals. This is good. This guy's a great player. I'm glad I found this one. Jorge Soler of the Kansas City. We got Josh Bell, the Pirates, Pittsburgh Pirates. I think these are the blue refractors. Number 27. Nico Hoerner, rated rookie. Actually, I think that's a double. Donnie Walton, rated rookie. And Miguel Cabrera. Yeah. Number 11. Guy's still doing it. And he's one of the best to ever play the game. But I really, really liked how that one ended. That last pack had nothing but... So I got 2 autographs already. Or 3. Should have kept count. But this is our final box of the day today. At Prizim. I saved it for last because these... I always find good stuff in these boxes. Let's see. Let's see if I can today. Oh, man. This is really good wrapping. They really don't want you to get in here. Who do you collect? Hashtag, who do you collect? I don't know. Whoever you guys give me, honestly. Okay, is there a bonus pack? Is there... Oh, here it is. The bonus pack. Dun, 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 dun. Well, first we're going to do these little ones. In no specific order. Here we go. Oh, these are way much easier to open. Thank God. Don't want you guys to see me just opening stuff all day. Well, here's Willie Adams. No. Bryce Harper. Booyah. Look at that. Now on deck. Nolan Jones. He's on deck. Hit him up. Illumination. Nolan Ariando. Really great player. Colorado Rockies. We don't know what baseball's ever done to his life or past one, but it must have been awful. Wow, it says that in the back. But yeah, he's a good power hitter. I don't know. Honestly, well, tonight, the Dodgers beat the Rockies like 12-3. I don't know. But the air is really thin out here. Like, there's no joke. So, those are... Oh, closer of the Padres, Kirby Yates. Wait, I think I skipped one. Yeah. Dallas Keuchel. Chicago White Sox. And White Sox actually just clinched playoffs. Oh! Here we go. I got another autograph. Pro penmanship. Austin Dean of the St. Louis Cardinals. Number PPAD. Yeah, wow. What is this, a second pack? Second pack, I got autograph. Now, I don't know him really too well, but I do see him play. Here's Mitch Garver. Oh, that's nice. Man, that's good. I'm really liking it. Hopefully each pack keeps getting better and better. I seen some unboxing where it's just like badass card after badass. Oh, Jacob deGrom, New York Mets. Ken Giles, closer of the Blue Jays. Ronald, oh, Machines card. And I have seen these. Ronald Acuna Jr. This is nice. Yeah. Number M3. And we got rookie card, Caleb Smith, Miami Marlins, but this guy really is good, you know. He's on the cover of the packs, got a great ear. So let's get it cracking. Oh, technical difficulties. Here we go, folks. Sorry about that. But here we go. Oh, I feel... I thought this was Corey Seager. But hey, I'll take Kyle Seager. Seattle Mariners, Brad Keller. Oh, what is this? Buster Posey. Let's take a look at Buster Posey. Oh, followed by another catcher. 2 great catchers, actually. JT Realmuto and Buster Posey. So that was good. If you're a big fan of catchers, that was a good find. I was actually looking for the Barry Bonds sign card. Nah, I didn't even think. Man, oh this. Ooh, I kind of messed up the corner right there. Shane Bieber. And then that's a double. We got Steven Strasburg over here. Ooh, Fireworks. Oh, this one's a little bent. Ooh. Christian Yelich, Fireworks card. Followed by, ooh, Instant Impact, Javier Baez. So I got some player cards, some good player cards right here. Let me see, number 11-3. That was actually good. I actually like those cards. I haven't seen too much Christian Yelich. I want to get definitely the big All-Stars. Here we are. Eduardo Rodriguez. Spencer Turnbull. Detroit Tigers. Ooh, Lumber Inc. Gleyber Torres. Ooh, I like this card. With the 2 bats. This is nice. Number L1-4. And then we got Matt Boyd of the Detroit Tigers. All right, we're almost done here, folks. If you made it this far, thank you. We actually had some good finds. I only thought I'd get 2 autographs. Maybe I'll get one more. I'm really hoping. I love the autographs, dude. It really puts a lot into a card. We got Lorenzo Cain. Brian Abreu, rookie for Houston Rockets. Houston Astros. Scorching Javier Baez card. This is nice. And Ross Huskin. So this is the final pack. Last final pack. This is the last normal pack for the Panini Prizim box. Oops. And here we go, folks. Juan Soto of the Washington Nationals. Oh, blue refractor card. Blue refractor card. Pete Alonso, blue refractor card. Yeah. This fucking looks nice. On top of the class, Daniel Espino, Cleveland. And Matt Carpenter of the St. Louis Cardinals. I wish I had basketball cards, but I didn't have any. I definitely am going to get more. I just want to announce Lakers beat Denver Nuggets. Game 1. 2020 Western Conference Finals. Alright, here's a bonus pack. They keep falling over. But I let it be. Alright, let's check it out. Let's check this out. This is the final pack, everybody. Yes! Cody Bellinger. Los Angeles Dodgers. Gio Urshela. Miami Marlins. We got Sean Murphy, upside down. Rookie card. Oh, here we go. Oh, Jose Altuve of the Houston. We're just going to move on from this. I wouldn't call it brilliance. Aaron Judge of the New York Yankees. It was mainly on the DL this year. Nico Goodrum. JT Realmuto. Stargazing with Aaron Judge. These are looking nice. These are really good quality too. I shouldn't be touching these, but I should have gloves on too. But I'm gonna take care of them. Tommy Pham Bam. George Springer, man. Who's this? Jalen Davis, a rookie card for the Giants, and our final card of the day. Mike Minor of the Texas Rangers. I think he recently got traded to the Oakland Athletics. So, folks, here we go. And this is everything. These are all our cards, all of our finds. I just want to say thank you. Here's a autograph and yellow refractor. I just want to say thank you, folks. If you're tuning in, please take the time to like my video, subscribe. Oh, leave in the comments what you want to see, what you want me to do. I'm open to all sports. This is just kind of what I could get my hand on locally here in the middle of Colorado. So, you have a good day, Fanatics.